spiritualized to you. The trouble with the straight and the narrow is it's something I keep sliding off to the side, and the devil makes good use of these hands of mine. And if Jesus is the straight path that saves, well, I am condemned to live my whole life on the curb, on the crossroads with the devil. I'll dwell and I'll count my years. You know that I got a little something I should say.
Something to say.
Yes, that I'm so easily led astray. It's alright, 'cause I know my own way back home from here. And I don't fall off the wagon, you know.
That's what you know.
I take a dive and go as deep as I can go.
That's where I go.
Don't hold your breath, 'cause I'm coming up slow this time. The trouble with the straight and the narrow is it's something I keep sliding on to the side. The devil makes good use of these hands of mine. You know that I got a little problem or two. I guess that I keep on taking a few. I've been told it's not the best thing that I can do right now, and I don't go looking for my sins, you know.
That's what you know.
They come my way and I just get on and go.
That's where I go.
Don't hold your breath, 'cause I'm coming up slow this time. The trouble with the straight and the narrow is it's something I keep sliding on to the side. The devil makes good use of these hands of mine. Jesus is the straight path that saves, and I'm condemned to live my whole life on the curb, crossroads with the devil. I'll tell and I'll count my years. Well, the devil makes
Straight and narrow, so
the devil makes
straight and narrow, so
the devil makes good use these hands of mine. Y'all give it up for Iron Wire!
Let's hear for the horse himself. Very good. There